Hello, Central Florida. Jason Lygren here. Guys, we are out at the new build here, new construction, Ryan Homes. We broke ground December 20th. Look at the progress, guys. Look at this progress. Guys, here to remind you, new construction is what you're looking for. Please give me a shout. 407-756-9402. Jason Lygren, Remax Assured. Assuring you I'm always on duty. J77 Homes, Team Rosso. Guys, look at this. Once again, December 20th. Look at this action. We're looking to be done sometime in April, hopefully before. Ryan Homes out here, Mount Dora. New construction, new build. Once again, here's an update, guys. Jason Lygren, Remax Assured. New construction, I got you. Buying, selling, investing, renting, vacant land. Give me a call, 407-756-9402. If you want to win, Jason Lygren.